Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can remove a bot from your Discord server easily and quickly in 2025. So with that in mind, drop a like and now let us get started. Now doing this is actually so super simple, guys. All you need to do is head over to Discord, of course, log into your account and access the server you'd like to remove bots from. So let me go with that server here and select it on the left panel. And what you want to do after that, guys, is click on that arrow down icon here next to the server name and select server settings to access your server settings. And inside your server settings, take a look at that panel here to the left. And what you want to do, guys, is head over to the integrations section here under apps and simply select the bots or applications you would like to remove. So let me remove that one here. To do that, simply click on manage here to the right. That is going to take you to the settings of the given bot. So simply scroll down to the very bottom of that menu and click on remove app here to remove the given integration, which in this case here would be a bot, from your Discord server permanently. And that's it, guys. Confirm that, and that is going to remove the bot from a server. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.